Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the extraction operation was not completed and the error code is 0x8096002A, no error description available, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. So the main resolution and the easiest one is, so I have a file here to download the 7-zip tool. I'll tell you why it is a resolution, but first of all, how do we download it? Search for 7-zip in the Bing search bar or Google and go to the main website. But in the case of Bing, you'll get the download button here and then click on download and then click on open. Okay, this will install 7-zip on your system after getting administrator privileges, and then close it. Now, once this is downloaded, right click on the file that you wish to extract, and you won't find the 7-zip option here, but when you click on show more options, you'll find the option for 7-zip. Click on this and select extract files and click on OK, and it will extract it into a different folder here. Now here's the question, why are we using 7-zip and why are we not using WinRAR when we are using RAR files? Because this error has occurred on many different file formats and 7-zip supports all of them. Even otherwise, 7-zip is quite a useful software. It's not only for a certain category or a certain extension of files. It is for each and every kind of zip files. You can also use it for password protection. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.